Turkey-Syria earthquake. On Monday, the 6th of February 2023, the central Turkey was hit with a 7.8 magnitude earthquake, Tohoku earthquake. Often referred to as the Great East Japan earthquake, resulted in 18,000 deaths. It recorded a magnitude of 9.1 on March 11, 2011. Haiti earthquake. The strongest quake in over 200 years in the region affected the region on January 12, 2010, with a magnitude of 7.0 on Richter scale. The infrastructure was decimated and 300,000 lost their lives. Kashmir earthquake. The Azad Kashmir region was struck with an earthquake of magnitude 7.6 on October 8, 2005, killing approximately 86,000 people and affecting nearby countries like India, Afghanistan, China,